Hello friend, I'm Oyewale Sunday. Welcome again to my workshop. Today I want to show you how I was able to fix this fishing line tassel. I was able to fix it. I'll show you how I get it fixed and how I eventually glue it on my simple half shoe. How I do that. So that is what I will be showing you all through today. So to do this, what I get to do is that I need my fishing line. I have my fishing line in here of different colors. I can get to use same color for it, but in here it's very colorful. So since it's colorful like this, in here I use 7 color. I use the blue, I use the red, I use the black, and I also use purple. It's 7 color in there. So I'm going to be using different colors of fishing line for this too. Okay, first thing I need to do is to pass my fishing line out. After that, I use my scissors, a set of 4 nails. I'm using 4 different nails to guide to do some measurement of the tassel. So just follow step by step, no step skips. At the end, you should be able to make this on your own. Gradually picking my threads. Yes, picking my thread up. Okay, yeah, these are the lines of my thread. Here's the line of my thread, and it's out now. I have the white, the blue, the black, the purple, the orange, the blue. Okay, no, the red is not there yet. Okay, here's the red. So I just join the red to it now. Okay, done and ready to go. So to do this, what I need to do is I've passed all the thread in here. I need to cut this off for my try not to continue tangling. Okay, I have this right now. Okay, now the first thing I get to do is to roll this round for it to hold, and which I just obtain like this. And here you can, this my measurement, I'm using for 8 centimeter. I'm using 8 centimeter for this. So in here can then come like this. For me, you can decide to go round. Me, I'm going around in 10 times. So this is the 3rd one, 4th, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to use just this 10. So you can go on and on and on. You can go to 20. Depends on the weight, how thick you want it to be, how puffy you want this thing, and the number of stripes you want to have it. You remember I did 10. So the way it goes on 10 means that I have 20 stripes in here. 20 times times 8, that is 160 strand in here. So that's what I'm going to do. So at this point I've done my 10. Okay, right now, after getting the number of stripes I need, I can then come here to knot it at the center. 2 stripes is enough, 2 round is enough. So just come here and knot it. Okay, after knotting it, I can then come here. You can then come here to do that. So after getting that done, to be on the safer side, for this thing not to lose off, it's a fishing line. You can then lighten and burn it off. Okay, I've just burned that off. I can then disconnect this and the other thread. Okay, having disconnected, what I then need to do is to come this way and come this way. Okay, I'll come this way and do that. cut that. Now come this way too. Cut it. So after that, you're not done. Still at the last steps in it. I don't come to eventually get that puff in it. Do it one. I will not really recommend going it around too much. 2, 3 is enough. And then come here to knot it. So this knot is very important because it might lose off. To guide against it being losing off, how to knot it very well. Yeah, it's been knot, and my fishing line tassel is ready. Ready. Okay, my fishing line tassel is ready, and I can, this is just it. I can decide, I can send her to burn off the first thread that hold like this. I can send her to do that, or use this to attach to my shoe or any other thing, my jacket, my bag. I can use that strap to attach to it. But anyway, the reason for me making it, I want to attach it on my half shoe, and I don't need that stripes. That is just it. But this one here, the stripe is in here. I can use this stripe then to attach to anything I want to attach to. Here, after getting this out, I now want to cement it here. I want to fix it here. Remember please, I said you can use this thread to just knot it in here, but I just don't want to do that. I'll be using my candle gun to just put it there, put it on it. So I just come in here. This is just enough to do the magic. Okay, it's just as easy as this. It is ready. It's not going to go off because the surface at which I'm working on, it is suede. So since I'm working on the suede velvet thing, it holds gums very well, and this my fishing line can hold gum very well. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. This is just it. These are the samples that which I've done. This is another sample that as they, so can just go and get this done to your project. It is very easy. It's just a simple thing you can do for yourself. Please kindly comment underneath, like it, share it, and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.